jQuery is a fast and powerful way to quickly prototype your JavaScript files. This is incredible, and today we're going to be covering jQuery in 5 minutes or less. So to get started, you're going to want to quickly scaffold on an HTML document and paste this piece of code, or you can put it at code.jQuery.com. And that's it to implement. You're obviously going to implement your script file because you have to reference your JavaScript. So we're going to quickly look at how we use jQuery. So to get started in referencing jQuery, you're going to want to quickly just type $, parentheses and in those parentheses a double quote, and you can just type in any selector, so class name, ID, just the plain old tag, or document if you want to reference the document. And you can also, actually, I can preset this one, but you can also just do const anything, const $object or obj. You don't even have to have the $, and you can just take that output and store it in the variable. Setting colors is very simple. Just reference the jQuery reference you made to the object in your DOM, and use any of the many vanity functions that are available in the documentation. And my favorite part is, so for the text function, it automatically sanitizes your text, so you don't have to worry about anything. And you can even, reference the thing. So you can go .text, .css, .onload, and then whatever you want. And you can just basically make one long initializer line. And it's very simple. It just takes one line of code to do stuff that would take multiple lines. So, yeah. And one last feature I want to show you. You can even pass jQuery jQuery elements into function arguments. So basically a variable you can throw around. So you just create a function and pass and make an argument for it, and you can just use it like a jQuery element. Sorry, one last thing I want to do. I promise this one's the last. The best thing is, you can convert DOM elements into jQuery elements and jQuery elements into DOM elements. To convert a jQuery to a DOM, you just create a variable for it because you'll probably want to reference it, and you reference your jQuery your DOM object. So sorry, this one's for DOM to jQuery, and you just literally do that. That's it. So then to create from jQuery to DOM, you do the jQuery object dot get and then 0. Sorry, the way it wrote itself was opposite of the way I wanted it to write, so it's very confusing. But yeah, that's basically all you need to know about jQuery. And if you want to see more, just go to, I think it's api.jQuery.com. And yeah, link in the description. Thank you for watching, and this is Incredible, signing out.